Hey guys, my name is Elizabeth Suj, and today I went ahead and created this purple look using the Take Me Back to Brazil collection. Taking brush number 7 from the Take Me Back to Brazil brush collection, I'm going to grab a pink shade from the Take Me Back to Brazil palette and place that into my crease. Now we're going to grab brush number 8 and dip into the purple shade from the Take Me Back to Brazil palette and place it in the outer corners of our eyes. Grabbing brush number 6, I'm going to dip into the purple shade from the Take Me Back to Brazil Rio Edition palette, and we're going to place this color all over our lid. Now we're going to take brush number 9 and dip into the purple shade from the Take Me Back to Brazil palette and apply that to our lower lash line. Grabbing brush number 6, I'm going to dip into this pink shade from the Take Me Back to Brazil Rio Edition palette, and we're going to place this into the inner corners of our eyes. For our next step, I'm going to take our Take Me Back to Brazil lashes in the number 402 and apply those. Our Take Me Back to Brazil lashes are our very first synthetic mink lashes. The synthetic mink material gives you that ultra fluffy looking lash that adds length, volume, and lots of dimension. The 402 lashes are thick and their drama is focused in the center of the lash, giving you that doll, doe-eyed look. And this is the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed this purple Smokey using the Take Me Back to Brazil collection. Don't forget to hashtag BH Cosmetics so we can see your creations.